Hi everyone. So today we are going to do the next step in our writing process for analyzing our character for our literary essay. So in a few moments you will be getting a sheet that looks like this. It will be blue, and you will also need the sheet that we used 2 days ago where we wrote down our theories. We had our thesis question at the top and our evidence. So from that sheet, you are going to transfer that information onto your blue sheet. So I'm going to go through and type in some of my information on here and use the same example that we watched with that short clip about Superman. Okay, so on my other sheet, if you remember, I said that my thesis question was that why is Superman so cool? Now we're going to flip that into a question or a statement or a sentence. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that question and I'm going to type it in right here. As where it says claim in the green arrow. So this is where you're taking your thesis question and turning it into a statement. So I'm saying Superman is cool. Okay, so you will take your thesis statement question that you wrote and flip it and put it into a statement and write it in this top triangle piece. Then, if what you will do is you will take these next three parts of your triangle, and this is where you will write in your three theories that you have. So if you remember, the three theories or the three reasons that proved that Superman was cool was that Superman saves people in dangerous situations, he is strong, and he can fly. Okay, so I am now going to take each of those theories and write it in these boxes. So he saves people in dangerous situations. Okay, then I'm going to add in my next theory, which is he is strong. And then my last theory, Superman can fly. Okay, so I've now added in each of my three theories. Now the last one, where it's a broad statement, I'm going to restate what I say in my claim, but I am going to also add in a couple more pieces of important information. Now, we are working on writing our concluding paragraph. So this is the last paragraph of our paper. So this would be the last sentence that someone is going to read after while they're finishing your paper. So this sentence wraps it all up. It reiterates what you have said in your 4 previous paragraphs and reminds the reader what your whole paper was about. So what I would do is I'm going to start with, in the book, it's Superman by Tom DeHaven. Superman is cool because he saves people in dangerous situations. He is strong and he can fly. Okay, now we are going to work on adding some spice, adding some other words to these sentences, so our concluding paragraph kind of flows a little bit better and seems to wrap things up. So when the reader is done reading, their fourth paragraph, they're going to come to this one and it's going to say, Superman is cool. He saves people in dangerous situations. He is strong. Superman can fly. In the book Superman by Tom DeHaven, Superman is cool because he saves people in dangerous situations. He is strong and he can fly. So what I want to do is I want to add some words so this makes a little bit more sense since it is my concluding paragraph. So I might add at the top here, in conclusion, Superman is cool. And then you might say something like, as I stated above, he saves people in dangerous situations. He is very strong. And then most importantly, Superman can fly. So you can see that I've added just a few words to kind of spice this up a little bit and make some more sense to our reader. So now the last sentence of this paragraph will say, in the book Superman by Tom DeHaven, Superman is cool because he saves people in dangerous situations. He is strong and he can fly. Now, I might change this a little bit more and take out some things and add stuff so it makes sense to my reader and it kind of wraps the paper up. I might say something like, as I said, as I stated above up here. So maybe I could say, as you can see with the evidence I have shown in the book, It's Superman by Tom DeHaven. Superman is cool because he saves people in dangerous situations. He is strong and he can fly. So there I have written my 5-sentence concluding paragraph. So your job today is to take that information from the sheet we worked on 2 days ago and fill in your concluding paragraph. I would put in the basic information like I did first, and then add words or add sentence starters like in conclusion or as I stated above, most importantly, as you can see from the evidence I have shown, or lastly. Those will all be appropriate sentence starters for your concluding paragraph. So again, do your very best to try to get this information, transfer this information into your blue concluding paragraph sheet and work on it. You can ask people around you if maybe they could read it so it would make sense and see how it flows. We will work on this more on Monday, but I wanted you to get a head start and continue on with the next step in our writing process. So again, you can play this video again if you need some more clarifying information. I will be back on Monday and can give you, any more help you need or answer any questions. Happy writing and good luck with your concluding paragraphs.